Hi everyone, I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. I just wanted to run through Monday's work for Packet 5, but before I do that, I want to say thank you to you and to your parents because I know how hard you guys are working, and I'm sure you guys are ready to be done by this point. And so I just encourage you to keep pushing through, hang in there. You guys are all doing awesome, and I'm so proud of you. So let's just make this the best week we can, and then next week we will be doing some different activities as our last week of school. So let's take a look at our digital learning calendar first. So for math, you guys will start a new chapter. It is chapter 18. You guys will be looking at plane shapes, and this will be in your workbook 4. And I have uploaded a video to the email, and then I will have it provided on the second grade math webpage. I have provided an anchor chart as well as a PowerPoint, so definitely take a look at those as you start completing chapter 18. And then you can also work on extra math. And then in phonics, you guys will be looking at suffixes, and I have provided a definition and examples of what suffixes are and some videos in the phonics webpage on our website, so definitely take a look at those. Remember that you add these word parts to the end of a base word, and it will change the meaning of that base word or root word. So a base word / root word is a word that's able to stand alone by itself, such as these words. So you will need to decide what suffix is appropriate for each base word, and then write that new word in a sentence of your own on each line. Then here's an anchor chart where we are talking about regular and irregular past tense verbs. This is also provided on our website, and if you are looking at a regular past tense verb, you will add ed to the end of a base word unless there is already an e at the end, in which you will only need to add a d. So then one thing I want to go over real quick for regular past tense verbs is that ed can make 3 different sounds, and this is something that we have discussed before. So you have ask, and then you have asked. And notice that ed makes the t sound as a t, but we spell it with an ed because it's past tense. Then we also have walk and walked. So walk to walked can also make the t sound even though it is past tense. Then we have play becomes played, so it makes a hard d sound, okay? And then another one would be id. If I had the word start and then I added ed, it'd be started, so it sounds like id, but we spell it with ed. And I have that fully explained with some details on our website with extra examples. And then irregular past tense is when you don't add ed to the end of a verb, but it can have a different spelling. And so definitely check out this within Language Arts on our webpage. And then I have an anchor chart over have, had, and has, and when to use them. So you'll just have to decide when are you going to use these irregular verbs for each sentence. And it is front and back. So then this one has do, does, and did. And I have a video for that within the Language Arts page of our website. And then for comprehension, here is an anchor chart for conclusions. And so remember that everyone's conclusion may be different because we all have a different amount of knowledge or understanding, or we might have a different amount of knowledge or understanding of a topic. And so it's okay if, your conclusion of something is different from a friend's or maybe your parents. But basically, a conclusion is coming up with a thought based on the information that you are reading and based on any prior knowledge you already have. So I have another anchor chart on our comprehension page, and then I have a little video that talks about it a little bit more. So definitely check out the comprehension page for conclusions. Okay, and so then you're going to read the story, The Goat and the Rug, and I absolutely love this story, so I think you guys will enjoy it as well. And then you can answer these questions. And then this is the writing choice board. This is what you will be using all week long. So today, if you were to pick what do you like to do for fun on a rainy day, you could write Monday underneath it so you know you already did it. And then you're going to write about that prompt on this page. So you can draw a picture of it and then write about it below. So then for social studies, let's take a look at that. You guys will be watching a video about goods and services on the Social Studies Science webpage, and then you'll be completing this worksheet. And then for religion, you'll be watching a video about Gloria, and you can either email me your response or you can write it down, and I will take a look at it when you turn it in. So definitely take a look at the web page for each subject area as it's been updated for this week. And if you have any questions, let me know. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thanks.